Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Today we will discuss about the part 5 of the MCQ. First question. Maximum time of hand hygiene is option A 90 seconds, option B 20 to 30 seconds, option C 1 minute, option D 2 minutes. The answer is option 2. 20 to 30 seconds. Here they asked about hand hygiene, not the hand washing. So answer will be option B. Next, maximum and minimum score of GCS. Option A 8 to 9, option B 8 to 12, option C 12 to 13, option D 3 to 15. The answer is option D 3 to 15. Next question. Side effect of chloramphenicol is option A dizziness, option B headache, option C bone marrow suppression, option D immunity suppression. The answer is option C, bone marrow suppression. Bone marrow suppression is the side effects of the chloramphenicol. So answer will be option C. Next question. Needle gauge preferred with the blood transfusion is option A 16 gauge, option B 18 gauge, option C 20 gauge, option D 22 gauge. The answer is option B 18 gauge. Option B is the correct answer. In regularly 18 gauge green color cannula were casually used for the blood transfusion. Next, correct series of labor. Option A engagement, descent, flexion, crowning, internal rotation of the head, extension, external rotation of the head and restitution. Option B engagement, descent, flexion, internal rotation of the head, crowning, extension, restitution, external rotation of the head. Option C engagement, descent, crowning, flexion, extension, restitution, internal rotation of the head, external rotation of the head. Option D engagement, descent, flexion, internal rotation of the head, crowning, restitution, extension, external rotation of the head. The answer is option B engagement first, then descent, then flexion, then internal rotation of the head, then crowning, then extension, then restitution, then external rotation of the head. So answer will be option B. Next, neonates compression ventilation ratio is option A 1:1, option B 1:2, option C 1:3, option D 1:4. The answer is compression and ventilation ratio is 3:1. Is 1:3 is there? The answer will be option C. Next, identify the given figure. Here we forget the give the figure. The answer will be Denver retractor. Picture will be there. Next, percentage of burn perineum is option A 3 to 30%, option B 9%, option C 18%, option D 4.5%. The answer will be actually 1%, but in the option there is not there. So closely we will select the 3 to 13%. So answer will be option A. Next, Which disease is not included in Mission Indradhanush? Option A, tetanus. Option B, diphtheria. Option C, pneumonia. Option D, whooping cough. The answer will be option C. They asked not included in Mission Indradhanush. The diseases are included tetanus, diphtheria and whooping cough, and not they are asking not included is pneumonia. Next, birth weight of the quadrupeds by option A 5 months, option B 1 year, option C 18 months, option D 2 years. The answer will be option D, 2 years. In 5 months, the birth weight is double. In the 1 year, the birth weight is triple, and 2 years the birth weight is quadruples. So answer will be option D. Next, height of neonate double by option A 4 years, option B 3 years, option C 2 years, option D 1 year. The answer will be option A 4 years. In the 4 years, the neonates double their heights. So answer will be option A. Next, SSP is a complication of which disease? Option A whooping cough, option B measles, option C meningitis, option D tetanus. The answer is option B, measles. Option B is the correct answer. Next, the term of decreased number of RBC is option A anemia, option B pancytopenia, option C leukemia, option D thrombocytopenia. The answer is option A, anemia. When the decrease of number RBC, this is known as the anemia. Next, placenta implanted deeply into the myometrium is called as the option A placenta accreta, option B placenta previa, option C placenta increta, option D placenta parcata. The answer is option C, placenta increta. Next, anti-epileptic drug given by intranasal route. Option A midazolam, option B diazepam, option C clobazam, option D nitrazepam. The answer is option A, midazolam. Midazolam is anti-epileptic drug given by the intranasal route. Next, all are signs of good breastfeeding attachment except baby's chin touches breast. Option B baby lower lip inverted. Option C baby secondary areola well covered by upper lip. Option D sucking audible. The answer is option B. Here they ask except. So answer will be baby lower lip inverted. When the baby lower lip inverted, the baby cannot suck properly. Next, intramuscular injection angle is option A 15 degree, option B 25 degree, option C 45 degree, option D 90 degree. The answer is option D, 90 degree. Intramuscular injection angle is 90 degree. Next, Which congenital cardiac defect does not cause the heart failure? Option A, ASD. Option B, VSD. Option C, TGA. Option D, PDA. The answer is option C, TGA. TGA does not cause the heart failure. Next, second dose of DPT site of injection is option A, deltoid muscle. Option B, gluteus maximus. Option C, vastus latris. Option D, gluteus minimums. The answer is option C, vastus latris muscle. For the infant we use the vastus latris muscle. For the adult we use the ventogluteal muscle. Next, iron dextran is given by which route? Option A, intravenous. Option B, intramuscular. Option C, intraosseous. Option D, intradermal. The answer is option B, intramuscular. Option B is the correct answer. Next, age independent anthropometry factor. Option A, mid-arm circumference. Option B, weight. Option C, height. Option D, head circumference. The answer is option A, mid-arm circumference. Option A is the correct answer. Age independent anthropometry factor. Next, breast abscess care postpartum correct approach is option A, continuous breastfeeding from both breasts. Option B, feed from left breast only. Option C, bilateral abscess. Option D, give bromocriptine. The answer is option B, feed from left breast only. Next, contraception contraindicated in lactating mother is option A, combined oral contraceptive pill. Option B, spermicidal jellies. Option C, condom. Option D, copper T. The answer is option A, combined oral contraceptive pills using during the lactating mother. It's including 0 to 3 months. Next, for placental removal, all methods are used except give oxytocin. Option B, give massage. Option C, control contraction. Option D, prostaglandin E1. The answer is option D. They ask the except. Prostaglandin E1 is not used to remove the placenta. Give oxytocin for removal the placenta. Give gently massage through the uterus, so can it easily remove the placenta, and control contraction should be used. Next, most common type of episiotomy. Option A, median. Option B, mediolateral. Option C, J-shaped. Option D, lateral. Most common type episiotomy is option B, mediolateral is mainly used more than 70%. Next, in which episiotomy TR is anal sphincter intact? Option A, first degree. Option B, second degree. Option C, third degree. Option D, fourth degree. The answer is option B, second degree. Next, not included in the surgical safety checklist. Option A, verify patient name and procedure. Option B, allergy check, option C medication check, option D counseling. The answer is option D. Counseling should be checked the preoperative care, not the surgical safety checklist. Option D is the correct answer. Next, exclusive breastfeeding is up to 1 year, option B 2 years, option C 6 months, option D 4 months. The answer is option C 6 months. Exclusive breastfeeding means when the baby take only the breastfeed only, not other food. It is known as the exclusive breastfeeding. It should be up to take 6 months. After that they can continue with the cow milks or the semi-solid food. Next, true about the complementary feeding. Can be started from the birth with breastfeed. Option B can be started by the mother months onwards along with the breastfeed. Option C, it is substitute for the breastfeed. Both. Option D, both A and B. Complementary feeding means the answer will be can be started by the 6 months onward along with the breastfeed. Next, IV cannula size for rapid infusion. Option A 16 gauge, option B 18 gauge, option C 20 gauge, option D 22 gauge. For the rapid infusion we use the 16 gauge cannula. So answer will be option A. 18 gauge we used for the blood transfusion. 20 and 22 gauge is we are using mostly the child, not for the emergency. For the emergency we are using the rapid infusion like the 16 gauge cannula we will use, so we can give the fluids to immediately to the patients. Next, not included in the trial system. Option A red, option B yellow, option C green, option D blue. The answer is option D blue. Blue is not included in the trial system. In the trial system there are the red for the emergency, yellow for who are minimal emergency after the red. Option C is green means the patients are healthy in a trial, and also use the black for the death. Next, India started COVID-19 vaccine with the Covaxin. Option A 15 October 2021, option B 18 December 2021, option C 16 January 2021, option D 22nd November 2021. The answer is option B 18 December 2021. Next, 100 crore vaccines completed in India is option A 20 October 2021, option B 21 October 2021, option C 22 October 2021, option D 23 October 2021. The answer is option B 21 October 2021. Before I questions is the answer is 16 January 2021. Sorry, the answer is option C, not the option B. Next, converted the 38 degree centigrade to the Fahrenheit. Option A 98.6, option B 102.2, option C 101.48, option D 103.32, 3.C. Calculate the Fahrenheit, Celsius to Fahrenheit. The formula is F equal to C minus 32 into 5 by 9. So centigrade 38.6 minus 32 into 5 by 9 into 5 by 9. The answer will be it will come 101.49 something, and the answer will be option C. Option C is the correct answer. The formula is F equal to C minus 32 into 9 by 5 by 9. Next, sodium concentration in plasma is option A 110, option B 130, option C 150, option D 170. The answer is option B 130 millicube per liter. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. Gas used in laparoscopy. Option A CO2, option B N2O, option C O2, option D heliox. The answer is option A CO2. Mainly use CO2 for the laparoscopy. Next, fluid of choice in burn patients. Option A 0.45% NS, option B 0.25% NS, option C 3% NS, option D ringal lactate. The answer is option D ringal lactate. Mainly used for the burn patient RL. Next, normal urine output in 24 hours. Option A 300 ml, option B 500 ml, option C 2.5 liters, option D 1.5 liters. The answer is option D 1.5 liters. Next, longest bone in human body. Option A humerus, option B femur, option C tibia, option D radius. The answer is option B. Femur is the longest bone in the human body. Next, injection into the bone marrow is called as the option A intraperitoneal, option B intrathecal, option C intramedullary, option D intraarterial. The answer is option C intramedullary. Option C is the correct answer. Next, cause of neural tube defect. Option A iron deficiency, option B vitamin D deficiency, option C previous history of NDT neural tube defect. Next, option D folate deficiency. The answer is option D folic acid deficiency, also known as the folate deficiency. Next, placenta discard in which color bag? Option A black, option B yellow, option C red, option D blue. Placenta comes under the anatomical waste. So for the anatomical waste we used only the yellow bag. So the answer will be option B yellow bag. Next, size numbering of French catheter denotes option A radius, option B internal diameter, option C external diameter, option D circumference. The answer is option C external diameter. Option C is the correct answer. Next, fluid causing shift from cell to plasma. Option A hypotonic, option B isotonic, option C alkaline, option D hypertonic. The answer is option D, hypertonic. The fluid causing shift from cell to plasma, like this is cell and this is plasma. The fluid causing shift, they will shift from the cell to plasma. Next, feature not seen in the preeclampsia. Option A changes in the vision, option B polyuria, option C proteinuria, option D hypertension. The answer is option B, polyuria is not seen. Option B is the correct answer. Oliguria sometimes it's seen, but polyuria is not seen. Polyuria means excessive urine. Excessive urea in the urine. Next, PDSA stand for option A plant direct set goals apply, option B plan dive of study act, option C plan do study act, option D plan devise set goals apply. The answer is option C, plan do study act. Next, option C is the correct answer. Next, full form of DPT, diphtheria, polymyelitis, tuberculosis. Next, option B diphtheria, pneumococcal disease, tuberculosis. Option C diarrhea, plague, tuberculosis. Option D diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus. The answer is option D, diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus. Next, golden color of amniotic fluid indicates option A post maturity, option B intrauterine death, option C RH incompatibility, option D fetal distress. The answer is option C, RH incompatibility. Next, medication in the anaphylactic shock. Option A atropine, option B atropine plus noradrenaline, option C adrenaline plus hydrocortisone, option D adrenaline. The answer is option C, adrenaline plus adrenaline or epinephrine plus the hydrocortisone. Next, incubation period is the best defined as option A time from first sign to transmitting pathogen, option B time from exposure to first symptoms, option C time from exposure to accurate test detection, option D both 1 and 2. The answer is option B, time from exposure to first symptom. The answer is option B. Thank you everyone. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.